Hi guys, do you believe ba in the idea that everything that you think has some effect in your life? Yes, paulit-ulit na ako dito, but most of the people isn't even aware of their thoughts. They're just living an autopilot. So ano nga ba yung autopilot? Yung autopilot is yun yung parang automatic na way of living mo na without even thinking na. Parang muscle memory mo na. So, for example, pagising mo sa umaga, kukunin mo yung cellphone mo, and then mag-rant ka, mata-traffic ka, mababad trip ka, papasok ka sa office, and then mati-trigger ka doon sa mga taong nag-trigger sa'yo. Then uuwi ka, tutulog ka, and then just uh, doing it over and over again. Pero sometimes, di ba, we're still hoping and wishing that something miraculously will make a change. Pero, paano mag-occur yung change if yung everyday routine mo is not changing? Free deals para ma-regain natin yung control natin based on our thoughts and emotion. Of course, our reaction. So, number one,